Everybody in here has 2 years and 1 mouth. Keep your eyes on me.
Okay, Frankie. He talking. I know. We ain't worried about it, Luke.
My opponent tonight was supposed to be.
Look at love. Psycho boy. Kid trip. I like him, man. Yeah, Angelina didn't come out with him. I don't see. Let's go, Luke. Oh, yeah. Who the hell? Who is this? Oh, Reno! Oh, shit.
I came here to kick some ass. And I promise you, I'll rip someone in half with a cord.
Please don't let it be Luke, please. Anyone but Luke. Go on the rest of them. Why you running, psycho boy? Oh, you think you too cute. Ain't that about some shit? Oh, shit. Look at him, running. All that you was just talking, you gonna run, Frankie. That's what we doing. We running. Ain't that about some shit? Oh, come on, Luke. Yeah, start them out. They playing. Come on, certified.
Get there in you, what's me?
Oh, hey. He hating on Luke. He hating on him. Watch out, Will. Oh, damn. Yes, give another one. Yeah. Come on, right now. What? Hell yeah. Where you at, certified? Get back in here. There you go. Get back in there. Come on, get him. Get him, Lou. Get him. Yeah, there we go. Hey, let's go, certified. Yeah. Oh, shit. I think you're pissing him off. Oh. He can too. Come on, Lou. Shake it off. Come on, Lou. Oh, my God. Hey. Somebody check on him. Jesus. That's just not gonna work. Oh, shit. Come on, Lou. Damn, I thought that was it, bro. Oh, my God. They hating on you too bad. Come on, Lou. Oh, shit. Damn. Right. Kick out. We ain't doing that. Right. Hell no. Looking for you. Oh, damn. Come on, Luke. Get up. I can take Frankie out. Get out of here. No. You suck. You're right.
Daniels is better!
There you go, Luke. Yeah. Not gonna play with him. Frankie slick. Look at that shit. Look. Come on, certified. Don't let him do you like that. There we go. Oh, come on. Oh, shit. Oh. All right, Frankie. Oh, damn. Yeah, yeah, y'all forgot about him. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Oh, hey. Who gonna get the goal? Frankie gotta get that goal, man. You gotta give it to him and him only. Oh, shit. Right. Luke, get out the way. Oh, that was this damn close to his head. Oh, again, I missed it. Oh, Turnbuckle got it.
Oh, bro. What is
I'm
that?
saying, Travis, thank you for catching that. You freaking suck. Right. That was the oldest trick in the book. Right. Like, wait a minute. Stop cheating, Frankie. Hey, don't be talking. I know, don't put your hands on them. Oh, come on, Luke. Jump in there. Oh, tear him up. Fuck him up. I hope Luke don't catch that. I really don't. Yeah. Come on, Luke. Please don't let Luke catch that damn gore. That's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt like a motherfucker. Oh. Get over there.
Come on.
Come on, right now. Damn. We're really knocked yourself down. Holy shit. Right. Oh, Lord. Give it to Frankie. Oh. Please give it to Frankie. We deserve it. Oh. Should be. Uh-oh. They done pissed both of them off. How do you do that? There you go. Tear him up, y'all. Yeah. Beat him all the way down. Yeah. Come on, Luke. Come on. Oh, damn. He love throwing everybody over the damn ropes. Get on my nerves. Oh, damn. Right. Oh, good. Come on, Luke. Oh, damn. He really covered you. He really did. Oh, Luke, get up. Frankie trying to cheat and shit. Ooh. I know, right? His name was him. Oh, damn. What the shit? Yes! Subtitles, please. her. There you go. There you go. Oh, girl. Streets all over. What the hell? Come on, Freya. Freya! Freya! She about that socking of rocking the sock shit too. Yo, I was just gonna say, there you go, Freya, come on. Get him, girl. They go down. There you go. Yeah, go, Freya, yeah. Yes. They gonna double team you, girl. Tell them we ain't doing that. Oh, right, come here. Throw him off, Freya, throw him off. Nope, psych. Oh, damn. If on the streets, they'll be gentlemen. Oh, well. She did the splits on her. Oh. Okay, Haley. Oh, shit. Come on, Freya, get back in there. Right. Stop that shit. I hear her. She over there saying, tell them, Carrie. I hear you. I didn't see you, though. That was Carrie. I know her voice anyway. That was her. All the damn people over there, I couldn't see where she was. Yeah, Haley. All right, howdy. Oh, shit. Oh! Yeah, I know that hurt. I know that hurt, girl. Jeez. Oh! Out of here. Oh. Oh, damn. Get on, Freya. Come on, girl. We ain't going. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, the ring take her down. Come on, Freya. Oh, shit. Oh, nice slam. Can't defeat the Giants. Oh. Come on, Freya. Yeah. They hate on you, girl. It's all good. I love you. Oh, off with her head? There you go. Off with her head. Oh, shit. Oh. Off with her head. There we go. Oh, damn. And then go ahead. Nice. Shit, capitalist. Yes. I love that back. Oh shit. Hi, Hollywood. Oh. You gonna piss her off. And see what I tell you.
What are you doing?
I told you. Oh, girl. Oh. 2 for 1. Damn. Get it, Freya. Get him. There you go. Come on, Freya girl. Come on, Freya that bit. Yeah. Give it to him. Ah. Whoa. Yeah. Come on, Freya. Let's go. Yeah. Come on. There we go. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. They ain't gonna let you do it again, no, girl. They ain't gonna let you do it again. I promise you they won't. Oh, shit. Cut it, yeah. Oh, I guess she did. Oh, damn, she did. All right. Dang it. Y'all better double team her. Only way you gonna get her. She was fighting the reps Thursday night. I said, when they gonna learn to start fighting with you? She said, they gonna never learn. I said, I know, girl. I be fucking thought that she be talking shit too. Yeah. Oh yeah, how the hell we gonna fight? You don't put that where you put that girl. She gotta wear that shit home. Oh shit. Wedgies. Oh. Hey. Right. She got that 2-piece. Oh! She got that 2-piece and a biscuit. There we go. We caught her. Oh! Damn, girl. You're not the damn ref out. Oh, shit.
Can't hurt that bad.
Hell no. Get over there and count it. What the hell? See, that's how Hollywood finna win. This is how she's finna fucking win. With the rock in the damn sun. I bet you she gonna use it. Freya, you hit the ref in the damn head. Oh, look, I told you. See? Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Yeah, don't let her do it. No, let her do it. I know, what happened to the pink sock, girl? A rock in the sock, for real. Oh, shit. Whoa. Oh, yeah. She got another one. Hey, there we go. There we go. Now let's do it, y'all. Yes. Come on. Oh. Yep. I'll be glad when that's over.
The man who captains that ship.
Thank you for not bringing that girl with you. Because I don't like her. I forgot her name. I don't like her.
You know what everybody house.
I really don't like her. What? What? That's so stupid. He get on my nerve.
I hate to break this to all of you.
What? We gonna tear him up. Don't let up. Don't let up. What?
Than anyone in this room right now.
You suck. You suck. You suck. Yeah, he looks so good.
There's something I've been doing inside for quite some time.
Play some time. I love his accent. It's so cool.
I have a problem this year with somebody called Al Snow.
Right.
Now, Mr. Snow,
Mr. Snow.
maybe you don't know.
Oh, you're here tonight? Okay. I
I
see how
was
you
there
feel.
with my sister Santina.
Right, where y'all going? Right, right. Hey, go, Al, go. Hey, there we go. I love yes. Y'all never gonna get that. Right. Good morning. Oh yeah.
And now, please welcome our special guest referee.
Let's go. Yeah. Hey! 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 Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Hey! Damn, I'm front. Oh shit. I said to them, oh, what kind of kick was that? Right, for real. Oh shit. Right, right. Hit him with the buckle. That shit gonna hurt. Oh damn. Come on, Cal. Oh. You wanna watch Santino? He has been training. Oh, no, he did. Oh! And he caught it. Hey! What the hell are you doing? Get back in your corner. What's wrong with him? Yeah. Oh, he put it back on.
Take it again.
Dang! You know what? You know what?
Hit him with it. Hit him with it.
What a chump. Hey, he caught it. I'm gonna need for you to wrestle. Oh, no, right. Like nunchucks. Now you gotta bring it.
Keep putting it up. You're taking it out.
I'm gonna need for you to put that out the ring and wrestle without a cow. There we go. Cow's so silly. So I'm putting my damn fanny pack back on. Touch it again, we're gonna have some problems.
Keep taking it out, brother.
I'm saying, like,
They're gonna take it again. Come on.
please don't let them take it again. Oh. Oh my God, that's so funny. Look at him. You know what? Santino, cut the shit. Girl, he snapped. He crazy. I like him in TNA. He be talking real shit. Right, because he knew Beth was going to beat his ass. He was like, yeah, you going to kill me. Oh. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Do it again. Yeah. Yeah, you don't want none, Damon. You do not want none. Look, he like, oh my God. Please don't tag me. He like, if he come over there, jump off the ropes. Jump off the ring, shit. Oh, whatever. He's not tough. Baby. Tell him, Cal. Come on. Oh, snap. Well, damn. Oh, my God. That's so funny. He just took himself out. Don't be a wussy. Get in there. I'm gonna out to get in there. What the hell you saying? You shut up. Trip. Oh. Come on, Cal. You know what, Doug? Mind your business, Doug. Damn. I knew he had to do something. He hate to lose. Now we got to deal with this.
Why did you so long?
They be hating on Kyle. He didn't want to get in there again. He really don't want to do this. Oh, I know that. I told you in trouble. Yeah. Remember when he picked up backwoods? Girl, he almost died. Poor Al. He almost died, boy. Yeah, he was like. Al, get him. Right, get out of here. Right. Oh, damn. What the hell? It looked like he fell on his own. It really looked like he fell on his own. He lied. Oh, he kicked y'all out. Oh, Marty, I forgot you over there. Damn. You gotta leave, Marty. He lied. No, he played this. He lied. Marty don't cheat. Oh, hell. Oh, that's bogus. Yeah, I know. I was like, he didn't trip on. He tripped on his damn foot. He put an Eddie. That's what the hell he did. Oh, that's some bullshit. Oh, come on, Al. What the hell? He's such a weirdo. I don't know how to take him. Come on, Al. Come on. Right, what the hell? Okay. There they go. Damn. Al, I'm gonna need for you to come and take OVW back. Doug, I've had enough of that shit. Oh my goodness. I'm saying he don't feel half of that. Come on, Al. Come on. Oh shit, he over. Oh hell. You know what? Get your ass away. That thing don't irritate this hell. Hey, I'm trying to make him retire. Damn. Oh. What the? I know he's so upset. Oh, Al, come on. Oh, shit. Right. There we go. Get down there. Damn it. Oh, there we go. Come on, Al. Get over there and tag Callie. There we go. Let's go. There we go. There we go. Oh. Get him. Come on, Cal. There we go. Oh, damn. Right. Blind tag. Get your ass back over there. Oh. He trying to jump in it and he ain't even leave. He playing, see? Got him on there. There you go, Cal. It still didn't work. Good. Did all that work for nothing. Come on, Cal. Duh. What the hell? Why you won't kick him out? What the fuck? See, I got a problem with that. Here. We ain't gonna play that shit. Why the hell Doug gotta stay out here?
2, 3.
Nice. There we go. Oh, damn. That was a great one. Look at him. Cheating the damn good. Whatever he doing. What you doing, Doug? I don't trust his hands. Look. There you go. There you go again. He did in front of you, fool. What the fuck? Get the hell out, Doug. Hey. Goodbye. Oh, shit. You fucked up. You fucked up. You fucked up. You fucked up. Yes, you did. Oh, shit. Oh, look at dude legs on the ropes. Oh, damn. There we go, Kyle. Get out of there. Woo. Yeah, you can take him out. Come on, Al. Wind it up, Al. Wind it up. Oh, damn it. There you go. Damn blood. Yeah. What the hell? Come on, Kyle.
Get out!
I keep telling him to get the hell out. That's a lot. You know what? I'm done with this. This is some shit. You tell him to get out, he get back in. What the fuck?